Hello, Milin. Uh, my best wishes for your birthday. I'm not going to say, which year, 50th year or whatever it is, because you become younger by every year. So it's better to wish you all the best, maintain the nice health and the livelihood which you have got on your face. That's wonderful thing. I remember, myself and Kaku when I saw you first. We went to, I mean, rather came to that Boston where both were working in that, and I was trying to find out who is there because we were all together. So suddenly you said Kaka, and you made it. You know other people that are knowing me for a long time. That is your best quality. Make people friendly, and no sooner the first meeting itself, you are a magnetic personality. That M, magnanimous, that is sort of liveliness and attraction. Moreover, attract people, because you go with them. Like when I used to be there, my friends Patel and other people used to come. You become so friendly with them. They thought that you are one of them. That's your beauty of that friendship. Everybody feels that. See, your son-in-law, यार, he मिलिंद बहुत अच्छा है यार, अच्छा अच्छा लड़का है, ऐसा पटेल used to say like that. Everybody whosoever met you, one of my colleagues are all, even your Rahul's friends, Tanvi's friends, they all feel that you are one of them. They don't feel shy or anything with you. Similarly, your business friends, and now you have got four families. You people meet, you become one of them, and that's a beauty. And that is why maybe your secret, that that moody thing, you know. Oh, people think, are now I should check his mood and then ask and all that. It's rarely. I don't think your children or even Girija must be feeling, oh, when I should talk to him so that he will agree. You are so open-minded that way. So I think I am, when I saw, I word, yeah, that is another thing. Mindful, you give thought process for certain things, and this is you. The D part, last part, this is you are decisive. Take fast decision. That's why that there is no confusion in your mind. Then in the I part, where I is coming twice in your name. That is something, I tried to find out wonderful words. Industrious, ingenuity. Ingenuity is wonderful quality, innate, certain born qualities you have got, and sort of ingenuity. Now Ashatai tells you to perform certain things, right? You do it, but it's not that you are. It doesn't look from your face that you are doing under compulsion. That's the beauty of it. Even while doing Ganpati Puja and all, you come here and live in present that way. There is no such resistance you show. Maybe giving priorities, you may be giving priorities, but once you take up that, you are fully involved in that. That's a wonderful quality you have got. I told you about your friend with everybody. Then that's why I say you are a laudable person. There is a luster and lively thing in you, and your liberal thing also. You are not strict on that particular thing. Oh, no, 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 no. This must be. This is like that. On certain things, quite open-minded person, and that is the reason maybe you become younger by every year. Just some health care, if you do, you become strict on that front. I tell you, as I told, that you will be younger and younger, you will look only, and your physical capability is wonderful. You take all the things, load the vehicle, unload the vehicle, and keep the things, and concern for others, love for others. I must have come now 10, 15, 20 times, 15 times to your house, and maybe at a stretch we stayed for 4 months and like that. But never there was an occasion I remember that there was something which you expressed, and there was some feeling thing. You are, because you give respect to emotions of others. That's beauty. And so many friends, sometimes you friends have cheated you, but still you never express anything ill will about them. That is a goodwill. That goodwill keeps you motivated. That goodwill part, that's why you never get sort of depressed or anything. Arey, had to do this relationship. These people diss you. There is nothing like that in your mind, because maybe some bad experience also you forget about it. Maybe it may be touching some time, but nevertheless, even if those people who were cheated, were not given you money or some whatever, if they come to you, I don't think you will say anything like that. Such a person, such a what you call, um, remaining is a live wire thing, but under any circumstances. That's the main thing, and that is why you face bad situation, uh, just like that, and you are always, that's why your children, I don't think they will, they will definitely adopt your qualities. And I know Rahul also is going to be taking your lot of things. Already he is doing that. Certain times he keeps something, but even if he utters something, he next moment he forgets. That's another part of Rahul also. So your children you are bringing up, and then Girija, that's wonderful thing that so many times he has, not kept well herself, and but you are all the time with her, all the time. Once, that's the thing, I like most about it, and that's why I always feel, that's the reason, I wanted to talk about you mostly. There are certain things I may not have described, but there are things in our mind, even your Kaku also, always. And now this, your poetic thing is always, is very good. Your दोस्ती वाला जो आपने लिखा है ना, बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. तो कविता मराठी में लिखो, इंग्लिश में भी आप बिजनेस में कुछ न कुछ लिखते रहते हैं, कुछ न कुछ बात करते रहते हैं, तो दैट्स वेरी गुड. तो लगे रहो भाई, मुन्ना भाई, लगे रहो, और ऐसे ही यंग होते जाओ. थोड़ा सा हेल्थ केयर ले लो, वहाँ पे थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाओ, एंड आई टेल यू आर अ जेम ऑफ ए पर्सन, नो डाउट अबाउट इट. सो ऑल द बेस्ट, एंड keep yourself, your motto, your ambition, whatever goal, go diamond, everything. You are a diamond person, whatever it is, just don't forget, don't bother about it. You are already a diamond. So keep that momentum. All the best, and enjoy the birthday tomorrow. First March, you are always on the march. So get going. All the best.